Hi guys, it's your girl Charlotte from That Girl Cooks Healthy. What's up? What's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to bake some sweet potatoes. Not just any sweet potato, but Caribbean style sweet potatoes using your air fryer. Really easy recipe and a delicious recipe. I cannot wait to show you how to make it, so let's get to it. Okay, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. It's a really straightforward and simple recipe, so it's not really much to it, but I'll let you know what you need. So you're going to need some sweet potatoes. As you can see, these are the red skin sweet potato, and red skin sweet potatoes are very commonplace in the Caribbean, so that's why I'm using these type of sweet potatoes. So it's red skin sweet potato, and the flesh, the inside, will be a white to a off-white color once you slice it open or you bake it. So we're going to need some of those. I have 3 here. Try and get them to be about the same size because they're going to bake around about the same type of region. So it's really important to try and get them. The middle one is a little bit bigger than the other ones, but you know, you're looking at something like a medium to large type of size for the sweet potato. Then I have some olive oil, and I also have some black pepper and pink salt, and that's pretty much all you need to bake these potatoes. So in order to bake these sweet potatoes using the air fryer, the first thing we need to do is we need to pierce the baked potatoes using a fork. So I'm just going to grab a fork and I'm going to pierce it. So you want to go as deep as the skin, so the flesh underneath. So you want to not go as deep as the flesh, sorry. So you want to just keep piercing all the way around the entire sweet potato. You want to do to each of them. I've already washed and bloated dry the potato. I should have pointed that out as well. So they're nicely washed and dried in advance. So you want to do that and bloat them off. So just grab a fork and pierce each of them all over, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do next. So now that we've pierced each of the sweet potatoes with a fork, the next thing we need to do now is to generously coat each of the sweet potatoes in some olive oil. So as you can see here, I have a pastry brush, and I'm just pretty much coating all of the sweet potato with the oil. So you just want to coat it lightly with the olive oil, sorry. Do that to each of them, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do after you've coated them with the oil. So now that each of the sweet potatoes are coated with oil, the next thing we're going to do now is to grab our pink salt and black pepper, and I'm going to just sprinkle it over the skin of the sweet potato. So you just want to just sprinkle as just a small amount. It doesn't need to be too much. Just do it all over each of the sweet potatoes. So the next thing we need to do now is we need to just add our sweet potatoes to our air fryer basket. So you just want to add each of them one at a time in your air fryer basket. My air fryer basket is quite big, so I'm able to add all 3, but depending on the size and the capacity of your air fryer basket, you might need to do this in 2 separate batches. So the next thing that we need to do now is to adjust the settings on the air fryer. And as you can see, I have a Ninja Foodie air fryer, and I've put it on 190, which is 375 degrees, and I put it on for 40 minutes, but it might take a little bit longer. So these are what the sweet potatoes look like after we've air fried them. So the bigger one did take a bit longer, but you'll know when they're ready because you should be able to prick them with a fork or a knife, and it should go through quite easily. It shouldn't be firm. So this is what the inside looks like, and I've just used a fork to fluff up that sweet potato, and I've also added some butter as well. You can do that, or alternatively you can place some of the jackfruit recipe that I recently posted, and you can top that with the sweet potato. So thank you so much for watching this video. Really simple. Please do not forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video, and I will catch you on the other side.